Question 39. Given the following graphs of f of x and g of x, in question A, we're going to determine the value of f dot g of 0. So where this is a solid circle, it just means multiplication. So this expression is equivalent to f of 0 times g of 0. So we're looking for the y values at 0 on both of our graphs. So in the f graph, we could clearly see f of 0 is -1, and we're going to multiply that by g of 0, which we can clearly see is 2. So -1 times 2 is -2. So part B, it says determine the value of g of f of 4. So first we will do the inside part. So let's find f of 4. So in the f graph, 1x is 4, 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get -1. So f of 4 is -1. So we're essentially finding g of -1 because that's taking the place of f of 4. So g of -1, when we're back 1 unit, where it looks like we are up 3 units right here. So we want to clearly state that g of f of 4 equals our final answer here of 3. All right, on to the very last question. It says determine a value of k where f of k equals 1. So really this is just a fancy way of saying the y value of 1. And if we look in our f graph, we could see actually there's, if we draw a horizontal line here, whoops, a little rough, but we could see k, there's 2 possibilities for k. The one on the far left is -1, -2, -3. And the one on the right here, at this intersection point, is 2. So either of those answers should be acceptable.